Are you a student looking to earn some extra income while balancing your studies? You're not alone. Many students want financial freedom but feel limited by their packed schedules and tight budgets. The good news? There are creative side hustles you can start that fit into your lifestyle and help you earn money on your terms. In this video, I'll share 6 powerful side hustles perfect for students. Let's dive right in. 1. Campus delivery service. One of the easiest and most rewarding side hustles is starting a campus delivery service. Think about it. Students constantly need food, snacks, groceries, or last-minute supplies, but not everyone has the time or energy to go get them. That's where you come in. Set yourself up as the go-to delivery person on campus. Use apps like Google Forms or a simple Instagram page to take orders and communicate with your fellow students. Charge a small delivery fee for your service. It's convenient for them and profitable for you. And the best part? You don't need a car. A bike or even walking around campus will work perfectly. With consistent demand, this hustle can quickly grow into something bigger. You can even scale it by partnering with local businesses for exclusive deals or hiring friends to help during busy exam weeks. 2. Rental services. Ever thought about renting out things you already own? As a student, you probably have items like textbooks, calculators, bikes, or even gaming consoles that others could use. Instead of letting them collect dust, put them to work for you. Start small by lending your items to classmates for a reasonable fee. You could charge per day or week, depending on the demand. For example, if you have a camera, rent it out to students who need it for photography projects. Or if you've got a spare bike, lend it to someone who needs to commute around campus. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace or campus-specific groups make it super easy to advertise your rental services. This side hustle is not only sustainable but also scalable as you reinvest the money to buy more items in demand. 3. Tech support. We all know someone who struggles with technology. Maybe their laptop freezes during Zoom lectures, or their smartphone won't sync with their school apps. If you're tech-savvy, offering tech support on campus is a goldmine of opportunity. You can start by fixing common issues like slow laptops, software installation, or troubleshooting Wi-Fi connections. Promote your services through flyers, word of mouth, or even a quick email to your dorm or student group. To add more value, consider offering workshops on basic tech skills, like how to use Excel for assignments or tips on organizing digital notes. As your reputation grows, you can charge higher rates for more complex fixes, and you might even attract local businesses looking for affordable tech help. 4. Tutoring services. If you excel in any subject, tutoring is one of the most reliable ways to make money as a student. Other students, especially freshmen, are often willing to pay for help in challenging courses or exam preparation. Advertise your skills by posting in campus Facebook groups, hanging flyers in the library, or letting professors know you're available. You can also join tutoring platforms like Wezant or Chegg Tutors if you want to expand beyond your campus. Group tutoring sessions are another great way to increase your income while saving time. For example, instead of tutoring one person for an hour, teach a group of 5 and earn 5 times the rate in the same amount of time. Tutoring isn't just lucrative, it's also a great way to reinforce your own knowledge. 5. Event planning. College life is full of events, from club meetings to birthday parties and even study sessions. If you have strong organizational skills and enjoy planning, event planning can be a fun and profitable side hustle. Start by offering your services for small events like birthday parties or club gatherings. You can help with booking venues, setting up decorations, or managing the schedule. Use social media and word of mouth to advertise your services, and don't forget to take photos of your work to build a portfolio. As you gain experience, you can take on larger events like campus fundraisers or student organization banquets. With practice, event planning can turn into a skill you can use long after graduation, even as a full-time career. 6. Fitness coaching. Are you passionate about staying fit? Fitness coaching can be an excellent side hustle for students who enjoy working out and helping others achieve their goals. Whether it's guiding someone through a workout plan, offering nutritional advice, or leading a small yoga class, there's a lot of demand for fitness coaching on campus. You don't need to be a certified trainer to start. Begin by sharing what's worked for you. Create personalized workout plans or organize group sessions for a small fee. You can promote yourself on social media, post in campus groups, or simply approach friends who are looking to get in shape. As your credibility grows, you might consider investing in a basic certification to attract more clients and charge higher rates. Fitness coaching not only earns you money, but also helps you stay disciplined with your own fitness goals. And there you have it, 6 incredible side hustles that are perfect for students. Each one is flexible, beginner-friendly, and can help you earn money without sacrificing your studies. So, which side hustle are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more content like this. Remember, your path to financial independence starts today. Take action.